They're gonna come out nice and tender and pretty tasty. Hey guys, Clint with Butcher Boy here. Welcome back. Today we're gonna talk about pork ribs. Get lots of questions about the difference between the main styles of pork ribs. And although there's some other cuts, the two main ones you're gonna see St. Louis and baby backs. So main difference, they actually come off of the pig right next to each other. The St. Louis are gonna be on that belly portion, the lower part, right next to the belly, which means they're gonna have good amount of fat in there, nice and meaty, nice and thick. Baby backs come from right next to the pork chops, which is a little higher up on the animal. But really the main difference is in cooking. Baby backs are gonna be a little bit more tender out of the gate for quick cooking method. So if you wanted to roast them for 35, 40 minutes or throw them on the grill with some seasoning right in that 40, 45 minute range again, they're gonna come out nice and tender and pretty tasty. St. Louis are gonna be the better choice if you wanna throw them on the smoker and do a nice slow smoke and get that classic barbecue style rib. You wanna go with the St. Louis. If you don't wanna put them in the smoker, you can also braise them in the oven. I throw them in a pan, cover a little bit of apple cider and the seasoning on there, braise them for about an hour and a half, get them tender, and then throw them on the grill, add your sauce if you like, and get a good glaze. So again, two main types of ribs, the St. Louis, the baby backs. St. Louis, low, slow cooking method. Baby backs, a little bit higher heat. That's the difference. We've got both in stock, and as always, happy to help with any questions you got.